In this video, we are going to convert decimal number into the binary number. So we are given a decimal number 19 and we want to convert it into the binary. So base of the decimal is 10 and base of the binary is 2. Here we want to go from 10 to base 2. So take the given number and divide it repeatedly by base of the number where we want to go, that is 2. So divide it by 2. So 2 9s are 18. So 1 is remainder. All remainder should be written in front of it. So 2 4s are 8 and remainder is 1. Then again 2 2s are 4, remainder is 0. In this case it's completely divided. 2 2s are 4, remainder is 0. Then again 2 1s are 2 and remainder is 0. Once again take the number and divide it by the base of the number where we want to go, that is we want to go to the binary number system. So 2 9s are 18 and this number is 19, so remainder is 1. 2 4s are 8, this number is 9, so remainder is 1. 2 2s are 4, so completely divided 0. 2 1s are 2, completely divided 0. So the number which we want to find, this number to 1 0 0 1 1 in backward direction from bottom to top. So number which we want to find is 1 0 0 1 and 1. So this is in base 2 and it is converted from 19 which is in base 10. So this is what we wanted to find, that is number from base 10 to number in base 2, that is decimal number to binary number. So 19 equivalent binary number is 1 0 0 1 1. Thank you.